Antakya bore the brunt of the worst destruction from the 7.8 magnitude earthquake that hit the south of Turkey just 2 months ago. The majority of the city was completely destroyed, including its historic centre. President Recep Tayyip Erdogan's election promise is to rebuild the affected areas by the start of next year. However, it's a promise that has been received with scepticism by locals clearing the rubble.
Yani bir yılda olacağını tahmin etmiyorum. Yeni inşa. Bu topraklarda ama başka yerde olursa bilemiyorum. Ama bu mekanda bu şartlar altında ancak bir yılda burası temizlenir.
The chief engineer in charge of the work specifies that orders were given to demolish the most critically damaged buildings. Many could collapse at any given moment.
Tehlike oluşturan, yıkılmak üzere olan yani acil yıkılacak olanları şu anda valilik ihale etti. Onları yapmaktayız şu anda. Bunlar bittikten sonra ayrıca şu an gördüğünüz etraftaki hemen hemen tüm binalar ağır hasarlı ve yıkılacak binalar. Bilahare onlara geçilecek.
The Turkish president has pledged to reconstruct 300,000 buildings in 1 year. Whether or not he can fulfill that promise will be decided when Turkey goes to the polls on the 14th of May, with his grip on power at stake.